people in your life are supposed to be chased. Some of them, even though they are stabbing you, celebrate. Because until they are there, the world will know there is a miracle inside. Revival. The resurrection of Lazarus made them to have a body. God. Jesus was aware. He was aware what these people are doing. But he realized, I do not need to chase the Pharisees away. I do not need to say back to Caesar. Because without the Pharisees, the third miracle will not make known to the world. Listen to what Jesus is saying. In his journey, he knew one day Peter would deny him. But he still loved Peter. He was a beloved disciple. He even gave him a key to the kingdom of God. He knew Judas who betrayed him with a kiss. But Jesus still loved him. That's why God is saying, love them more. Because he realized what these people, they need me. What they need now is Jesus. Jesus had to open their eyes. But I knew one day muzandikana. It's African town. Mulungu azakuzani kuti auzeni kuti mosemu jaragulu ndimakudziwa. But I was waiting for the season of harvest, for you to know the God that I serve is a God of love, and he needs your soul. Are you there?